Welcome back to Gear Grinders. Today, we're diving into the latest off-road machine from Honda, the 2025 CRF 110F. If you're looking for the perfect entry-level dirt bike packed with Honda's legendary reliability and performance, this might just be it. Let's break down what's new, what's improved, and why the CRF 110F remains a top choice for young riders and beginners. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Honda CRF 110F is its tried-and-true 109cc air-cooled 4-stroke engine. It delivers smooth, predictable power, making it an excellent choice for riders transitioning from smaller bikes. The 4-speed automatic clutch transmission ensures easy shifting without the worry of a clutch lever, making the learning curve much friendlier. Honda has refined the fuel injection system for 2025, enhancing throttle response and improving fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising on dirt trails or practicing in the backyard, the CRF 110F provides a responsive and fun riding experience. Chassis and suspension. The CRF 110F's steel backbone frame offers a solid yet lightweight build, perfect for handling bumps and rough terrain. The 31mm telescopic front forks and single-shock rear suspension provide ample travel, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. With a comfortable 26.3-inch seat height, this bike is designed to accommodate young riders while still being capable enough for adults looking for a fun pit bike. The overall ergonomics are well balanced, making it easy to handle for all skill levels. Brakes and safety features. Safety is always a priority, and the drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels offer reliable stopping power. The electric start and backup kick start ensure that getting the bike fired up is never an issue. Plus, Honda's keyed ignition adds an extra layer of security, so parents can control when the bike is in use. New design and styling. For 2025, Honda has refreshed the CRF 110F's styling with bold new graphics and updated plastics that give it a more aggressive look, closely resembling its bigger CRF siblings. The classic red bodywork with Honda's signature graphics makes this bike stand out on any trail. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CRF 110F continues to be an outstanding choice for beginner and intermediate riders alike. With its reliable performance, comfortable handling, and updated design, it's a bike that offers endless fun without the hassle of high maintenance. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to subscribe to Gear Grinders for more updates on the latest dirt bikes and off-road machines. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you on the trails.